When a friend called and told me they had just cut down a walnut tree in their yard and asked if I'd be interested in the trunk, which is about 10 feet long, I immediately went over there to pick it up. And the first thing I noticed was how heavy it was. It seemed much, much heavier than walnut typically is. And then when I cut into it, it was kind of a real pale sapwood. And then the heartwood, instead of being a brownish red, was kind of a greenish yellow. So I immediately became suspicious, but still, I put it on the lathe and I went to turn it, and it is absolutely the hardest, densest wood I've ever tried to turn. It immediately dulls the tools. It was just a real pain to turn, really difficult, in fact. And what I'm thinking now is it must be some form of hickory. So I didn't see the tree, I didn't see the leaves, didn't really see anything about it, but it came out nice, but it was a lot of work to get there. So I'm not sure what it was. I have a couple more pieces left, and I'm really not that enthusiastic about turning them. It is just so difficult and hard on the tools. But anyway, came out to be a pretty nice bowl.